Huh?
Yep, let that switch go. There it is. Ooh, too bright. There we go.
Who are you, and why are you in my refrigerator?
Hi, I'm Joe. I'm the new temp until Barry's replacement's hired.
Who's Barry?
Well, Gordon, Barry's the guy who used to turn on the light for you.
What guy? You're the first guy I've ever seen in my fridge. And how did you know my name?
Barry is an incorporeal entity who appears like a mist or a fog-like form to you mortals. And your wife told me.
My wife?
Yeah, she is really nice.
My wife.
She didn't mention me?
Joe, I think she would have told me if there was a little guy, gnome, living in my refrigerator.
Don't look at me. You mortals lead such complicated lives. I should know. Watch your soaps. Oh, speaking of which, did Raoul ever wake from his coma in time to stop his cousin from marrying his evil twin's clone?
What?
Yeah, I know. I was the same way up until Wilma revealed that she was a man posing as a woman for the CIA so that he can implant a mind control device into Carl's head before he could pledge his undying love for a video game.
You know what? I'm going to bed. I'm hallucinating or something.
Hey, John.
Hey, Gwen.
Who's that?
What do you mean? Well, duh, it's your wife.
That is not my wife.
You might want to invest in some better locks in your front door then. And maybe a new TV.
New TV.